That was my biggest concern or question was, you know, I'm thinking about, you know, I do something similar and I make a map of the body with a big roll of tracing paper, and I think about just how I'm trying to wrap that roll around someone's arm and it crinkles, you know, crinkles so bad. I wondered if maybe their paper might form to the body a little better, like like
so
Spirit.
what helps a lot with the stencil is I have a gel that I made with a friend. I made this gel, so it really any type of paper it will just it just sucks to the body.
Oh, really?
So you feel the paper like really clinging to you, like it would be like something from Aliens.
Huh.
So you can't. I don't think you can you really use. And this is something that I'm still working on, but try not to use too much of a liquid or something that's too wet, too liquidy.
Okay.
It has to work on. It has to be like a gel. It has to be a gel system for it to really cling to the body. When it's like too wet, the paper is gonna the image on the paper is gonna like bleed a little bit. But with the gel, it's just a different base. That base system is what makes the water cling, and not the water, the image and the paper cling to the body. And then, so there's like there's one where I actually put it on the owner of inkjet on her back. Those chrysanthemums, you can just see how the paper just like really is stuck to her back. So when I'm peeling it, she says I can feel it like pulling off like a really strong pull.